Piano in the building. Piano in the building.
The lights will lead you there.
These lights will lead you.
There's no better life than this sunset.
In the dark, but in my mind, that's the finest light. I pour my heart out on the beats, I don't got time to write. Bottle my emotions just until I feel the time is right. And right now it's looking like my happiness is out of sight. Turned into a monster just from people walking out my life. Weight up on my shoulders, but I'm acting like it's something slight. Who am I to judge? What am I to think? I'm trying to get a buzz, but I'm pouring out my drink. My sanity's in jeopardy, you'll never get the best of me. Trying to live right, all you haters to the left of me. Movies made passively, people stay harassing me, cause I say I'm grinding, but I'm living pretty casually. My girl say she proud of me, old bitches mad at me. Everyone who doubted me, come and kiss my ass for free. And while I put this work in, keep bad mouthing me, continue with this blasphemy. I'm watching city lights flash as my nights pass. I'm hoping that the way it feels really might last. It's so amazing when you make it and you finally establish. All these women getting naked and the cash is everlasting. Dear Lord, I'm ahead of these niggas, so why you keep me here to better these niggas? Dear Lord, I'm ahead of these niggas, so why you keep me here to better these niggas? They tell me these lights will lead me, well tell me where I'm going. I'm hoping it's with Brazilian bitches chilling by the ocean. Arizona iced tea's my magic fucking potion. I just want the better things in life, and you ain't get the notion. Demons haunt me, yet I'm so blessed. All work, never no rest. I'm living good, but I'm so stressed. Giving it my all, motherfucker, and no less. So yes, pressure bust pipes and make diamonds. I handle pressure well, so I guess that's why I'm shining. Want the finest linen with the gold and silver lining. Money to get me out of any situation I'm in. Mountain to the top, I just gotta keep climbing. Once I reach the limit, pour my drink and throw a lime in. I'ma make mad noise, make it start chiming. The dream all started from a young nigga rhyming. I'm watching city lights flash as my nights pass. I'm hoping that the way it feels really might last. It's so amazing when you make it and you finally establish. All these women getting naked and the cash is everlasting. Dear Lord, I'm ahead of these niggas, so why you keep me here to better these niggas? Dear Lord,